Okay, so remember, it's very, very important. Start at 60 and then work up to 120. So you want to hit those 4 speeds of the 60, 80, 100, 120 each day that you practice this, because we're building a solid foundation of being able to hear the metronome well, have solid rhythm. So, things are definitely going to be getting much more challenging. So this is all about making sure, again, that there's solid foundation. So I'm going to demo all 4, the first 4 things for at 60 and 120. So this way you have something you can follow along with, just to make sure that things are going well. But here we go with number 1. So this number 1 and number 2 going to count all 4 beats as we play. Tapping the foot with the metronome, also very important, very helpful. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. All right, number 2. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. And number 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. All right, number 3. So now adding in the upbeats. So your right hand will be synced up with your foot, whichever one is tapping. It doesn't really matter what foot you tap with. So you're tapping every time the metronome clicks. So you're keeping the hand and foot synced up the whole time. Every time the foot goes down, the hand goes down. Every time the hand comes up, the foot comes up. So it's like there's like a rope or something attached from the hand to the foot. It's always going together. And you're going to say only what you play for the 8th note stuff here. So here's what it should be at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. Done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. Done. All right, and number 4. 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 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 4. Done. Come to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, speed drill for those chords. Okay. So, take advantage of the half note time in order to get over to the new chord. So basically, once you hit that third note of the chord, get over to the next chord position as soon as you can. And then as the metronome gradually increases speed, you have less and less time to get to that chord shape. So you're basically just gradually increasing the speed you need to go to get to the new shape. So yeah, like 10 minutes a day is totally fine with this. And yeah, track how fast you get each day, so this way you can see how much further you get each day. And I will be asking how fast you got at the end of the week. And I'm curious how each day will go as well. It's good to see how things progress. So this is how it should go. You don't need to count this one, but you do need to, follow the correct amount of beats here to make it easy for yourself. All right, so it's going between that F and E minor. Here we go, 60 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I moved over to the next shape as soon as I could, just to demonstrate, like, that's basically the goal you want to shoot for. Okay, here it is at 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going up in 20s just to demo different speeds for you. So if you want to double check as you get to certain speeds, then you got this demo to follow. But still, very important that you only go up by increments of 5. You never want to go faster than 5. All right, 100 beats a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's at 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more at 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you need any other speed demos, just let me know. I would put that together for real quick. And yeah, for the scale stuff, actually, let's bring that up real quick. Hang on, almost got it. There it is. Yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah, so there's your low E string, there's your high E string, and then when you play through this, yeah, just follow the dots. So we just play 8, 10, 12, up to the A string, 8, 10, 12, up to the D string, 9, 10, 12, up to the G string, 9, 10, 12, to the B string, 10, 12, 13, and then up to the high E, 10, 12, 13, and then you just work your way back the same way. So basically you practice it going up and going down. And so you don't need to do this week, but if you end up having time, you are absolutely welcome to give them a shot, or at least give the first one a try. So it's very important that, learning these, when we start getting more serious about them, you only want to learn one at a time. You don't want to try and do too many things at once. A big mistake people make is going from one shape to the next, to the next, to the next, and then they wonder why they can't memorize anything. It was because you didn't spend enough time getting one down before adding another. So memorizing things very slowly will result in far better memorization than trying to cram in too much stuff at once. So the C scale, just so you can hear what it sounds like. So there we go. So yeah, that's a very important scale. All of our theory comes from that, and we'll be getting to that, diving into all kinds of stuff. Okay, so if any questions come up, please let me know, and I'll see you again next week.